Hello automotive enthusiast. Maserati GranTurismo Folgore, an Italian masterpiece trading exhaust notes for electric soul. What if you took away this sound? From one of the most emotional car brands in the world? No V8. No symphony. Just silence. Would it still feel like a Maserati? Because let's be honest. Italian Grand Tourers were never just about speed. They were about drama. Passion. That unmistakable exhaust note echoing through mountain roads. Cars that didn't just perform. They performed. And now, that entire identity is being rewritten. So here's the real question. Can an electric Maserati still make you feel something? Not just quick acceleration, but real emotion? This is where the Maserati GranTurismo Folgore steps in. Look at it. Sculpted curves. Fluid lines. Effortless elegance. This isn't aggressive for the sake of attention. This is design with intention. It moves like a piece of Italian cinema. Even when standing still. From the long, flowing hood to the perfectly balanced rear. This is unmistakably Maserati. Only now, it's hiding something new underneath. Because beneath that beauty is a completely different kind of force. A tri-motor electric setup. Instant torque. Seamless delivery. No gears. No delay. Just a surge of acceleration. That feels almost surreal. It doesn't roar like a V8. It pulls smooth, relentless, and precise. And somehow, that restraint makes it even more dramatic. Now here's where things get clever. Because performance isn't just about power. It's about balance. Maserati uses a unique T-bone battery layout, running through the center tunnel and behind the seats. Why does that matter? Because it keeps the car low, tight, and perfectly distributed. Just like a traditional Grand Tourer. So when you hit a corner, it doesn't feel like a heavy EV. It feels natural. And then there's the backbone of it all. An 800-volt electrical system. Faster energy delivery. More efficient performance. Consistent power again and again. This isn't just about going fast once. This is about sustaining performance. Like a true Grand Tourer should. Here's the part that really matters. Because numbers don't define a Maserati. Emotion does. And yes, you'll miss the sound at first. That iconic, spine-tingling exhaust note. But then something interesting happens. You start noticing everything else. The precision. The smoothness. The way the car flows through corners. And suddenly, it doesn't feel like something is missing. It feels like something evolved. This isn't Maserati abandoning its roots. It's redefining them. The Maserati GranTurismo Folgore proves that emotion doesn't need combustion. That Italian passion can exist in silence. And that the soul of a Grand Tourer isn't tied to an engine. It's tied to how it makes you feel. So, can electric replace tradition? Not completely. But this? This gets closer than anyone expected. Because the future of Italian performance doesn't scream anymore. It whispers. And somehow, that hits even harder.